Hello guys, today I just want to show you a few of the models of the power banks I'm selling. So I've got this one, as you can see this is 20,000 milliamp. The box is blue but it's actually black, and this comes with all the cables, everything. I can show you right now. I'll do an unboxing for you. So this is what you get in the box. Comes like this. You get the USB-C to USB cable to charge your power bank. You get an instruction manual. See the instruction manual. And then the power bank comes in this. And then, yeah, just like this. Fully charged. You've got the USB port there. 2 USB-C ports, and then it's got built-in cables. So you've got one built-in USB-C cable, and you've got a USB power cable, then you've got your lightning cable for iPhones 14 and older. And then on the side of the power bank you got the switch. You got a little button, turn it on and off. And here's the LED display. I'll turn it on now for you, show you how it works. As you can see, it's got 100% battery. And I'll show you it plugging into my phone and charging right away. So this is my phone right now. I'm at 100% battery anyway. I don't know if you can see, I'm at 100%. But I'll plug it in anyway just so you can see it works. See, it's got the charging icon. Now you can see it's charging. I don't know if you can see that. It's like, it's charging now. See? So that's the first power bank. I'll make another video showing all different power banks, but I won't unbox them because there's like so many different types. There's like 16 different types, so stay tuned.